Welcome back, week 9 of R&R. This week we've been doing a lot of stuff actually. We started pouring concrete into the forums to start our base of our deck.
Alright Cam, so we're in the backyard, what are we doing?
We're just mixing up some concrete to put inside the forum so we can get it all leveled out and stuff, so when we start building our deck it'll look pretty nice. And we're out here, the whole crew just mixing concrete and having some fun.
Nice.
Blaine over there been doing a lot of the mixing, he really enjoys it. Also, Austin is doing a lot of digging, trying to find the sewer line, water line, hoping to find it. Anything else to add?
We moved Connick's box. Max did some leveling out front a little bit more. We got rid of more of the roots and stuff back here. We took them all out to the front. We'll try and get those out of here. We just found out that earlier today, they came and they bid the sheetrock removal. So finally, something's happening. We passed the DQ 10-day threshold, and so hopefully we can get those bids back soon, and then get that torn out. We can get back inside where it's warm.
Yeah, really cool.
Yeah, we tore out the concrete pad that was back there because there wasn't any gravel under it or anything, and so it was busting up anyway. And so we're pouring. We're going to put a new deck in on the base there, and then we're hoping to come up with a new design for the layout of the backyard, and we're still struggling with that.
Lots of drawings.
Yeah, and again, this was a short week because this is only Thursday. Tomorrow is grading day. So, is that it?
Yeah, I think that's it.
Week 9.
What do you guys think of the new work boots?
Pretty nice, pretty warm. It's about 32 degrees out here and freaking warm.
Hey Mom, do I need to move this puppy?
So they're comfy?
Yeah, they're comfy.
Yeah.
Didn't really have to break them in too much. They're pretty warm. Make me taller, which is good.
Make me taller, right?
They're comfortable.
And they keep your feet warm?
Yeah.
It's really good. That's super helpful on days when it's really cold like this, right?
Yeah.
So if you didn't notice, they actually did send you guys your boots, which is spectacular.
Whoa, Jesus.
So you guys get some new workwear.
Oh, wow.
It's not for us.
No. Oh, where are they? What is that?
Sexy. What do you think, Austin?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, DeWalt.
Oh, these are nuts.
What size are they?
Oh, yeah, there it is. Dude, they're gorgeous. Come on now.
These are
I don't know what this one is.
I need to go check them out. I did 11 or 11.
The clipboard's right there in the middle.
Look at that.
That's
did
Feel
too.
bad wearing some Jordan boots. They're about to
know I didn't come on.
Dude, it has gel soles. Like insoles.
So you guys feel like you can do a lot more work now because you got better like shoe equipment?
Yeah.
You guys use full sentences?
I'm not worried about like ruining my shoes. They're awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you guys.